I'm going to be showing you how you can do this on your app, on your phone, and also how you can do this on the web version on your laptop or the phone. Now I'm going to be showing you how you can cancel order on TEMU and then get your money back. Okay, I'm going to be showing you the trick TEMU uses in order for them to not refund your money to your bank account or credit card or whatever, because they want you to keep the balance in your TEMU balance. Okay, so when you are clicking on canceling order, here is what happens. Let me show you first how you can do this. Now let's start with the app. Okay, let's do this on the app or the laptop. Let's start with the laptop. Okay, if you click here in the top right, you will see your orders account, and then if you click on orders, you will be able to see all the orders you have purchased from TEMU. Okay, so before I canceled an order, okay, here is what happened to me. So as you can see here, if you like when you click on orders, you will be able to see here the products you have purchased. If they are not shipped yet, they are not yet shipped, you will be able to see here cancel button. Okay, just click on cancel button, and then they will ask you for a reason. By the way, you will say why you are trying to cancel. Say something like it's expensive, I find it somewhere else, or something like that. Now when they are trying to refund, you will say the refund process will take 13 days, but if you just select this this other way, which is to keep the balance, the money in your TEMU balance, so that you can use it next time when you are purchasing the products, it will be available immediately, which is in just a few seconds. Now if just click here, I'm going to show you how you can do that on the app. Okay, so just open the app. Okay, and then you want to click on your profile at the very bottom, click on it, and then click on your orders in the top. By the way, I didn't purchase any product on this new account I opened on the phone. So as you can see, it says here you don't have any orders. If you have the orders here, you will be able to see cancel button in the order. Okay, or if you see here more info, click on it, or more details, click on it, and then you will be able to see cancel button. Click on that cancel button. It will look like this. Let me show you how it's going to look like. I'm going to show you right now. It's going to look like okay, yeah, this is how it's going to look like, by the way. Okay, like in the product here, it will say cancel items. Okay, and then you can cancel. Now when you are canceled, they will ask you for the reason, but if you select you, it will take 15 days to reach your bank. Just select okay. It's not going to take 15 days. It's just a trick they use to keep money in your TEMU balance so that you can use it next time. So that's exactly how it works. So I hope this tutorial helped you. Like I said, go to the app, click on your profile at the very bottom here, and then click on your orders, and then you want to find the order, and then click next to it, you want to find cancel button, click on it, and then you will get your refund to your bank account. Okay, and then get your money back. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment.